Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to change profile picture on Discord mobile. So I will show the step by step process of changing profile picture on desktop mobile. So let's start it. First of all, you have to go to your apps, then you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then you can get the profile changing option. From here you have to click on my account. Then from here you will get the option of changing profile picture. You have to click on the plus sign. Then it will take you to your gallery. From gallery you can select any image as your profile picture. So in this case I'm selecting this image as my profile picture. If you want to crop or edit, you can do it from here. Then after that you have to click on upload. Then this image will be add as your profile picture. After that you have to click on save button at the bottom right corner. Then it will save and it will add as your profile picture. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.